What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are covering Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is absolutely ripping today. It's up over 8% when the entire market is starting its consolidation, and it's really starting to look like this season for meme coins. I mean, yesterday we had Turbo Coin up over 10%. Today Dogecoin is up over 8%, and we're going to be diving deep into why exactly it's pumping and where it can pump to. So let's get right in. Now obviously Dogecoin has been one of the lesser performing meme coins this year. Obviously we had a huge spike up in February from the lows of like 8.5 cents to 23 cents, which is huge. It's like 2 to 3x. So it's definitely been performing quite well this year, but overall in Q2 and Q3 it has obviously come down quite a chunk, and now we're starting to slowly accumulate back up, and we need to see where we can head to, because right now we had this beautiful consolidation period from August all the way throughout September, and really the end of September towards the start of October is when we started to see these spikes. Now the one reason why I don't really like meme coins in general is because there's no data to really back it up from. There's no technology behind them. There's not really a sort of company that is building this coin up and the business behind it, so you can't really evaluate it like that. And that's one of my main issues with meme coins. However, there is now starting to become a way to value them, and the way I personally value them is via their communities. So we obviously have here, I have some of the biggest meme coins like SHIB, Pepe, Doge, and Dog with Hat. Obviously Doge is backed by Elon Musk and a lot of the Twitter community, which he now owns. Pepe is backed quite heavily by the Twitch community, obviously not Twitch themselves, but Pepe is overall a meme in the Twitch community, and SHIB is like the new generation of Doge. So the one reason why I hold Doge in my portfolio is because it has the strongest community of any meme coin, and even though we can't see that with these huge spikes up, it has one of the most influential and the richest person in the world backing this coin, heavily endorsing it when he can on Twitter. And there's even rumors that he is looking to make Doge the native currency for X or Twitter, however you want to call it. So that's just some of the fundamentals, which is absolutely huge. There's not really any other crypto that is being backed by somebody as influential as Elon Musk. But let's dive back into the technicals. Now, as far as I can tell, Elon Musk has not tweeted about Dogecoin today, which has caused this pump. This pump is simply just technical based and retail focused. Maybe it is slightly whale focused, but overall there's not been any sort of mention of Doge from Elon Musk essentially being the cause of this pump, which does add slightly to the price action and does allow us to get a better understanding of what should happen. So this is our essentially main resistance area that we have right now on the daily chart. You can see previously we obviously tapped in and broke straight down, so that's what we're looking to break right now. The main area we need to really break is going to be this 0.382 level, so we need to come up above this area, break through here, and start using this area as a support. Now luckily for us, we have been getting a good accumulation phase in right here. You can see with these lows, lots of accumulation has been going on, so we have a rough demand zone right here, and this gives us a much better way of analyzing to be getting some buy orders in and sell orders in. So really, if we're unable to break above this area here, then we're going to be looking to get some buys in roughly at this area. But if we are able to break above this area, then we're going to be looking to buy in at this support area. So the key thing we're going to be looking for is not just to buy when we tap this area. We're going to be looking for something similar to this, where we see a candle break above and the next candle open above this area. However, here you can obviously see we crashed straight back down. We didn't hold this area. We're going to wait for us to hold this area and start to consolidate slightly like this. Now what that will then show us is that it's looking bullish, we're still in an uptrend, and that we could be looking for buys in order to progress to the next Fibonacci area at 0.5. Now that's on this bullish case scenario. On the bearish case, of course, if we don't break above, then we're going to be looking for us to just break back down, and obviously we can consolidate here, but it's very unlikely. The most likely area that we're going to consolidate at and actually see a reversal at is going to be this area here from 10 to 11 cents, or just below 11 cents. and that's the exact area that I'd be looking to buy. Now, another thing we need to look at is, of course, Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been performing extremely well. We talked about this in the last Bitcoin video, which not a lot of people watched actually. It's one of the worst performing videos on the channel, which I don't understand why. There was a lot of value packed inside of there. So what we talked about there was obviously Bitcoin breaking through this channel on the weekly chart being the main chart, but we had to break through on the day, which we did, and now we're climbing back up. So one thing I would expect is for us to slightly come down, maybe retest it on the daily. I think that would make a lot of sense before we see another spike up. So on the weekly, we should still break above. However, we should get a slightly larger wick and the candle body should close up a bit more. Now the S&P is another key indicator for Bitcoin, and the S&P has been performing well. There's no complaints for the S&P. Nice, steady, healthy uptrend, which again is very, very valuable to BTC, which is then valuable to all the other coins. Now finally, we need to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, which is performing very, very badly for us. You know, Bitcoin dominance, when it's rising, it's super bearish for altcoins and meme coins and everything like that. However, when it's falling, then it's always very bullish. Now, Bitcoin dominance has been insane uptrend. Like if I zoom out, you can see just how long we've been in this uptrend for. It's absolutely insane. And we really need to start, you know, breaking down from this uptrend, because if we don't, then obviously altcoins and meme coins won't really flourish this season, which is a must for us. So for BTCD, we're going to be looking to break these lows here and here in order for us to actually start a downtrend, because right now we've broken through these highs. We're at a new all-time high and it's just constantly creating higher highs. So something like this would be very good on Bitcoin dominance, and obviously if Bitcoin can continue rallying, then that will absolutely be amazing for the entire market. Now, if you do want to be getting trades every single day and see all the coins that I'm buying and selling, then check out the Discord down below, because that's where I'm posting absolutely everything. If you need a place to trade, buy or sell Dogecoin and any other crypto for that matter, then check out all the exchanges that we're working with. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.